Hey guys, it's me, Toys and More here. Today we're going to be doing a review on this really cool Bubba Santa toy from Tekky Toys. This toy is rare and hard to find, and it's not very common. So we're going to be opening this up. I got this for my Spencer Christmas toy collection because I had no idea this was a Spencer's item, and it's for my Tekky Toys Christmas collection. So now let's open it up and see what's inside, because I want to know what this does. As far as I looked for videos, there was none. Okay guys, I put new batteries in it because it didn't work as well as it should.
Well, doggies, ain't this a Merry Christmas? Deck the halls with beans and chitlins. Wah, 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 wah. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, I think that I did see you stealing all those presents out from underneath my tree. You gonna bring those back now, you hear? Ain't no place like home for the holidays. My lovely little trailer park all decked with pretty lights. Too bad I didn't pay my bills, it sure would have looked nice. Wait, you're getting something really special this year. Rednecks we have heard on high, crooning loudly o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing, "Hey, shut up down there!" Joy to the world, Bubba have come to spread some redneck cheer. Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 I've got to go. Ho, 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 I'm ready to blow. Out to the outhouse, quick, quick, quick. If you hear a thud, I dropped a brick. Well, doggies, ain't this a Merry Christmas?
Anyway guys, that is all this character slash toy says. And on the side right here, it says banjo playing and singing redneck. And then over here, it says the same thing, just a different background. And it says the same thing here. And this is how much it costed at the store, which I wasn't there. I just got this online because this toy was old from a long time ago. And this is the box it has right here. Please pause if you want to read anything that it says. And then this is the bottom of the box. Pause if you want to read this side, and pause if you want to read this side. Anyway guys, that is all we got for this Bubba Claus toy. Please subscribe for more content.